Hi, I'm Jeff with Wagner. Welcome to our tips and troubleshooting video series. If you're thinking of purchasing a new Wagner 915E steamer or you already have one, we've got some tips to help you get the most use out of it. When you first open the box to your steamer, you'll find all the accessories in two places. Some are inside the built-in compartment, which you open by pushing in the door and popping it up. The rest are in a separate box that comes with the product. When starting out, be sure not to overfill the steamer with water. If you overfill the unit, it won't build pressure correctly, and you could get water running out of the hose and gun instead of steam. 40 ounces is the maximum, and it takes about 10 minutes before it's hot enough to make steam. Use distilled water if you have hard water or get your water from a well. Make sure the cap is threaded on tightly to assure that steam buildup can take place. When you take a break or you're done using the steamer, let it cool off for about 30 minutes, then pull the trigger to release any pressure left in the hose. Then drain the hose and gun so it won't spit water the next time you use it. Then remove the fill cap, turn the steamer upside down, and empty the remaining water from the machine. For safety, the cap won't come off until the inside pressure has dropped. With the cap still removed, let the tank air dry and store your steamer in a cool, dry place. It's a good idea to descale your steamer with vinegar from time to time, or your machine may not produce steam. First, unplug the steamer. Then, mix 8 ounces of water with 8 ounces of vinegar and pour the solution into the tank. Let the solution sit inside the steamer for 30 minutes, then drain the tank. Next, fill the tank with fresh water and drain it again. Do this as many times as needed until you don't smell vinegar anymore. And here's one last tip. If the orange steam light comes on during use, it indicates the machine needs to rebuild pressure in the tank. The machine can still be used while pressure rebuilds. We hope you found this video helpful. For more help, watch our other videos or call the number on your screen. You can also live chat us at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching.